Hello students, today we have seen Standard 7th History, chapter number 9, the Maratha War of Independence. Question number first, choose the correct option. First, Aurangzeb was frustrated by his bravery. A. Shahjada Akbar. B. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. C. Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Answer is B. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Second, they cut the golden pinnacles, the emperor's tent. A. Santaji and Dhanaji. B. Santaji Ghorpade and Vithoji Chauhan. C. Khando Balla and Rupaji Bhosle. Answer is B. Santaji Ghorpade and Vithoji Chauhan. Third, he fought bravely in the Goa battle. A. Yesaji Kank. B. Nemaji Shinde. C. Prahlad Niraji. Answer is A. Yesaji Kank. Question number 2. Find in the text in the lesson and write answers. First, why did Sambhaji Maharaj return halfway from the Janjira campaign? Answer is Sambhaji Maharaj returned halfway from the Janjira campaign because the Mughal army invaded at the same time. Second, why did Sambhaji Maharaj decide to teach a lesson to the Portuguese? Answer is Sambhaji Maharaj decided to teach a lesson to the Portuguese because they had joined hands with the Mughal emperor against Sambhaji. Third, to whom did Rajaram Maharaj entrust the responsibility of protecting the Swaraj when he went to Jinji? Answer is Rajaram Maharaj entrusted the responsibility of protecting the Swaraj to Maharani Yesubai when he went to Jinji. Fourth, Devdatta has described Maharani Tarabai's valor in these words. Answer is Devdatta described Maharani Tarabai's valor in the following words. Delhi was humble. The emperor of Delhi lost face. Such was the wrath of the great queen Tarabai. Question number 3. Give reasons. First, Aurangzeb turned his campaign towards Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi kingdoms. Answer is Aurangzeb turned his campaign towards Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi kingdoms because of first, he could not succeed in his campaign against the Marathas. Second, he had to suspend the campaign against the Marathas. Second, after the death of Sambhaji Maharaj, the Marathas intensified their war with the Mughals. Answer is first, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj faced the death without compromising his self-respect. Second, the sacrifice of Sambhaji Maharaj inspired the Marathas. As a result, after the death of Sambhaji Maharaj, the Marathas intensified their war with the Mughals. Third, it was decided that the Raigad fort should be fought under the leadership of Maharani Yesubai. Answer. First, Aurangzeb had sent Zulfikar Khan to besiege Raigad. Second, at this time, Rajaram Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai, Maharani Yesubai and Prince Shahu were in Raigad fort. Third, it was risky for all members of the royal family to stay together. Fourth, it was therefore decided that Rajaram Maharaj should escape and the fight to defend Raigad should continue under the leadership of Maharani Yesubai. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.